Assalamu alaikum. What's up, guys? Welcome to this YouTube channel. If this is your first time on this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and share with your friends. So, previously, I made a video on how to create an account on this Saudi Arabia Women's Scholarship. So, if you don't have an account, kindly consider watching that video on how to create an account successfully. After you create an account, you have to check on your email and then activate your account. Once you activated your account, you have to log into the account. So this is the interference you will see. So after you log into the account, you come here and click on this create complete profile. Sorry, after clicking on this, it will bring you to this interface where you'll see your name and you select your first name, you put it, you understand. So let's say you are having two names, so you put your last name and first name. After that, you come here and select which kind of identity you are using. Is it password or resident? So mostly it's password, and then you enter the password number. Let's say it's 000. You enter the password number. After that, you enter your residence. Let's say residence means country you are. So I'm from Nigeria. You select Nigeria. Okay, let's just leave it as nationality Nigeria. Disabilities, if you don't have any disability means like, are you disabled, like you don't have leg, you have eye problem, you understand, we have sickle cell anemia or anything like that. So alhamdulillah, we are almost all able. So you put none, you select on none. After that, marital status, if you are married, you select on married. If you are single, you select on single. So this place, you are not to upload a PDF, you have to upload a picture of you. So you just click on it and then add a picture. Make sure it is not a PDF. This is where you'll upload your international passport. So this is where you can, this also, mind you, this also is not a PDF, this is also an image. So you click on here and select your international passport and add it. After adding it, you click on this save and continue. So when you click on this save and continue, okay, sorry, I missed my place of birth. Place of birth, okay. Put Nigeria. If you want, you can put your state where you have been given birth. After that, let's put save and continue. So this is where it will take you to which city you are. Let's say you are in Kano, Maiduguri, Borno. Like your city name will just, let's say I'm in Kano. I could Kano district. Maybe I'm in Jere or something like that. So you'll put your district. So you all know, guys, it varies from one person to another. So street, let's say I'm in this street. After that, my postal code, I will check on the Google. I'm then put my postal code. Okay, this PO box, you can also rewrite the postal code. You can write additional address if you have any. So then you, I mean, additional number if you have any, then you put like your mobile phone number. You understand? So after that, you'll select your mobile. So you locate on where your country's code is. So let's say I'm from Nigeria. Let me click on N. Okay, so let's just do it randomly so we can save time. Let's say it's my mobile number, so that I complete my mobile number. And this is LinkedIn. If you want to add your LinkedIn, you can add. If you want to add your Twitter, you can add. But these sites are not necessary. You understand? You can skip them because they are not necessary. What are necessary here is wherever you see this red asterisk, so that place is necessary and mandatory. So wherever you didn't see this red asterisk, so that doesn't mean you are to feel that place is not necessary. But if you feel it, it will complete your application and it will make it a uh, fully wonderful application. So after that, in this section, are you employed? If not employed, you write no. If employed, yes. Reasons you want to study in Saudi Arabia. So here you are to like write some short AC. This is just 4 to 5 lines, I guess it's okay. But if you write, you can write more than that. So you just, I want to study in Saudi Arabia because Saudi Arabia is a nice destination for quality education. Saudi Arabian universities are ranked among top global universities in the world. Saudi Arabia have a warm, welcoming environment for international students, and you want to network with students from different parts of country. Saudi Arabia's university are having vast number of students from different parts of the world. So you write your reasons on why you want to study in Saudi Arabia. After that, you come here and have you obtained residency previously? No, so you don't have a business with that. If you have previously obtained residence in Saudi Arabia, so you click on yes. Reference data. So in this reference data is recommendation letter. You have to put full name of who recommend you. That means Tazkia. So the name of the person that gave you a Tazkia reference email. You put his email and then you put his mobile number. So you select his country code and then add his mobile number. This additional data is not mandatory, but if you like, you can select it. So let's say your dad is having an income of 5,000 to 10,000, so you select that. It's not necessary, but if you like, you can select that. So let's click on this next. So this is where you'll add your qualification. So if you are applying for undergraduate, so your qualification definitely must be your high school. So you came and select your level. You see high school when you're applying for undergraduate. Country of study, let's say I study in Nigeria, so I select Nigeria. GPA like scale from 100 to, so it depends if you use 4.5 point, 20 point, 100 points. So mostly in Nigeria we use 100 points like school name. So I attended Federal Government College Maiduguri. So you write your college name. After that score, this is the range. So if you select the range here, it will be like a range of 100. So let's say I get 70 out of that 100. Attach certificate. So mind you, this is where you will upload your own YX certificate. If you don't have your YX certificate, you can initially use your uh, high school, your statement of results in case in absence of original certificate. So after that, is there any add qualification? If you have, add qualification, you have to come and select your qualification and add it. So mind you, this will be only in PDFs. So you understand, image are not allowed here. So let's get a PDF file and then upload it. So after I upload my certificate, add qualification, I'll click on this. So it's already added, as you can see, it's already added. So add language. So for you to get high chances of getting this scholarship, you have to add language. Let's say you speak English, fine. You speak Arabic, fine. You speak French, fine. Because they like this kind of students who can communicate and associate with other people within a short period of time. So I know Arabic. If you have like, if you can speak around 5 languages, at least you can select one. And let's say Arabic, yeah, I'm intermediate, advanced, fluent, you understand, or native, or beginner. So you select mostly advanced or intermediate. So it's all fine. If I wanna add another language, I'll come here and select, let's say, English. Okay, let's say I'm advanced in English. I select on advanced. So and I add language again if I want to add again. So let's just, this is just an example. So after you finish with this section, so this is where you'll add those attachments. And when adding these attachments, so let's see which kind of format they should be. It should be in PDF format, please. So this is security clearance. So you mostly get this from the police station or from the court in some cases. So medical report, you get that one from your hospitals. So you go and acquire that from the hospital. Recommendation letter, that's the test care. So mostly for you to get high chances of getting it, so you should get tazkiyah from an imam of a masjid or a professor in a university and faculty of Arabic related courses for you to get high chances of that. So CV, what is CV? CV is just a curriculum vitae. So just it's just a piece of paper that carries your institution you attended previously, your skills and some other things. And then this test result, you'll attach your WAEC, I guess, here, because this test result is mostly for the Saudi Arabian citizen. So In your case, you'll attach your own YEC results or your own what do I call this? Uh, high school transcript. So other documents for you to get high chances. You know, this kind of scholarship are kind of competitive. So for you to get high chances of getting this scholarship, you have to merge your other documents like participation certificate, achievement certificate, you understand? In one PDF and then upload it here. So this will increase your chances of getting the scholarship. So let's just fill them randomly so it can enable us to move to the next stage. So as you can all see, I'm here busy uploading the documents. So let's finish uploading them so that it can enable us to the final stage. Okay, so fine. After that, you save on your application, and then congratulations, you can now apply for the program. So make sure it shows you this 100%. So that means you completed your profile. So after that, apply for programs. So when you come for this apply for programs, so remember that always Saudi Arabia, like Islamic University of Medina, is kind of competitive. You understand? So make sure you select some universities with best chances. You understand, like universities in some like Nigerian city, also city, not that kind of just make Medina because those one are highly competitive and they are having some students with admissions but still are not being granted permission to the university because they lack some accommodation. So just select some universities that you get like less popular universities. So let's check on the three universities and explore the courses. So you are to select up to three universities. So for this, you see, let's say I want to study bachelor's in Aqidah, that means creed in English, Dawah. So I add it to my preferences, and after that, let's say I want to study Hadith. So remember, whenever you're applying for Arabic related courses, it should be Arabic. Whenever you're applying for engineering or any art courses, so it should be that related courses. You should have consistency on whatever you're doing. So I added this. And after that, I'll add another course like in Quran and Islamic stories. So after that, I will add. Okay, and mind you, this portal is for both international students and citizens of Saudi Arabia. So whenever you are applying for any course, you should make sure that you see this free voice. You understand? Because there are some paid courses, so make sure all the courses you are applying are free courses. So add the preferences as much as you can, and after that you'll select another another institution. You see, I selected my first university. This is Jamiatul Islamiyah. So you can select, I guess, up to 25 preferences. That means courses. You can select up to 25 courses in each university. That means you are able to apply for three different universities. So let's say I'm done with Islamic University of Medina. So let's take another university out of Islamic University of Medina for us to get high chances. Okay, and okay, let's look it back. I'm sorry. Okay, so let's choose this University of Riyadh. So after we choose on this University of Riyadh, let's explore. Okay, no any available program. So let's get back to another university. So mind you, there are some government universities and private universities. So mostly I prefer you choosing the government universities. Okay. So this university, University of Jeddah. So let's say applying for accounting here, and this is just example I'm giving you, and this is paid story. This is what I'm telling you. It's 26,000 per year, annually. So you have to be mindful about this. And after that, this is accounting and taxation. You see paid stories. So whenever you are looking for that scholarship, make sure you must see free before applying it. If not, you'll end up applying for self-finance. So University of Jeddah, probably I guess the scholarships are less. So this is for sisters. This university, Princess Nora, Binta, and this is for sisters. So brothers are not allowed to apply for these universities. So you'll just locate some universities and search for the opportunities. As you can all see, we don't have such opportunities in other universities. So the universities are many as you can get them. You can just come on this institution. And if you want to get more of the universities, you click on this see more. You'll see some of the universities, and as you can see, Al Faisal University, Al Imama University, Breda Private College. So you click on those universities. These are government universities. So this is Prince Mohammed. So you explore the programs as you can also see the programs are not that much in some of the universities, but you can check on it time to time so you can get the available information whenever necessary. So thank you. And after selecting the institution, okay, let's go to the preferences. Sorry, my preferences. So when you come to the preferences, you can see preferences list I selected only 5 of 25. This is in one university only. So when you wanna get high chances of the scholarship, you can select up to maximum of 3 universities. So this is Islamic University of Nigeria. So maybe you select only one. Next you select Bachelor University or any other university. Thank you. And then after that, you will be able to submit your application. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your viewers. Wish you best of luck. Jazakumullah khairan.